Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to my channel. And today we're going to see how we can make a bootable USB drive. In fact, a multi-bootable USB drive. So to do this, we'll have to download a software, and the name of the software is, you know, WinSetupUSB. So go ahead and just copy this name, just to make it easier. Right now, we will, just search for the name. Go ahead and just open the first link that you find. And just download this software. It's a very handy software when you are going to make a USB. In fact, a multiple boot USB. You have multiple operating systems that you want to download. So it's going to download now, and it's going to take some time. So I'm just going to skip to the part where it's downloaded. Hold on. Okay, it's downloaded now. So we are going to place this file on our desktop just to run this file. Okay. Okay, then now let's run this file. Okay, extract. All right, now, sorry. Okay, we have two files here. One is for 32-bit operating systems, and the second one is for 64-bit operating systems. So if you have a 32-bit OS, you're going to go with the other one, and this is for the 64-bit. How are you going to know which operating system you're on? So you will have to go to this PC, just go to properties, and here you go. You have 64-bit operating system. I have 64-bit operating system here. So I'm going to run the other file. If you have x86, it says x86 here, you're on 32-bit OS. So we're going to run this file. Okay. Now here you see the bar on top. It will show the flash drive that I have, the USB drive. I have inserted the drive now, and it says here it's a 32 GB. All right, now I can go ahead and add a file. I'm going to add a folder here. So there's another thing, you don't have to lose your data if you have some data already in it. So I'm going to create a folder here just to make sure. I'm not going to format it, and it will be created as a bootable USB drive. Okay, so another thing, you'll have to format, you have to have this USB drive already formatted as a FAT32. So NTFS does not boot in DOS mode. It's supported by FAT32. So if you have you'll have to format it if you don't have it. In case, I'm sorry, you won't have to, won't have your data there. So just press on advanced, go to the setting, custom setting here for servers and Windows. Okay, this will allow you to add a menu there. Just select the type of OS that you're trying to make a bootable USB from. You'll need an ISO file. Check this, browse, go to the destination where you have the ISO file. I have two with me, 8.1 OS, 64-bit. It'll say OK. Okay, the reason it's saying that the file is too large for the FAT32-bit OS doesn't matter. Just go ahead and press OK. It will create a file supported to it will split the file in its own way. The way you boot will not be affected with it. Just go ahead and just press OK, no matter. Okay, now we just press go, and after pressing, yeah, this is the place that this will be the name of the folder that will be created on your USB drive. So you can give it some name or just leave it as it is, as you wish, and just press OK afterwards, or it will go after some time. This is the name that is going to show in your boot order. The name that you will be seeing when the USB boots, you will be seeing this name. So I'm going to put some name like the OS that I'm trying to make the USB of, Windows 8.1 64-bit, and go ahead and just press OK or press enter, whatever. Okay, now it's going to start creating this drive. It's going on in the status bar. You can see it's copying the files required for it, and it may take some time to be to get done. You'll have to wait for it. Okay, and here you can see my folder is already there. I have not formatted it. The system is creating its own files on it, on my USB, into the essential files, and the image file that is required to boot this USB. You'll have to skip to the end where it's done. It's going to take some time. Started to copy the ISO file now. This will might take 5-10 minutes or so, depending upon the speed you're using. 2.0, 3.0. Okay, now it's done. It'll just press OK, give you this message. And now to make sure, we're going to add another ISO in it to make a list. Go ahead and add another one. Now the FAT32 one. Open. Okay. Press go. Now I'm going to name this. So the directory name is different. So just Win2 and the same Win 8.1. This time 32-bit. Okay. So it has started. Have to give it some time. It takes some time, so I'll be again skipping to the end where it's done. Otherwise, you'll have to wait with me. Now the ISO. Now this is the part which takes time. Okay, now it's done. We are here, and it's going to give a message now. Okay, now it's done here. Okay, and you can again create some other ISOs on the drive you like by going through the same process that we did. So now we're going to go and exit, and we are going to try USB now. Okay, we are on our system, and we have now going to boot this. I will select my USB here. Okay, now the bootloader is going to load. Now you can see, yeah, the Windows NT6 option. There you go. We have two OS here, and 8.1, 64-bit, 32-bit. We're going to go and load 64-bit now. Let's see what it does. The files are loading. Now, this is a very nice thing when you have multiple operating systems that you want to keep in your USB, and you want it to be bootable as well. Now it's loading. So there you have it. It's done. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
And please leave a comment down below if you want me to make another video on some other topic you like. Thank you. Bye bye.